Very good morning, good afternoon, as well as good evening to whomever is watching a different time period. I literally welcome you all to this another video in which we'll be discussing about use an AI-based virtual security analyst to modernize your SOC. So in this video, how the AI is going to replace the SOC analyst. So in this video, we'll be discussing about that and. How actually the response time is, what actually the response time is to investigate anything. So those all things we'll be discussing in detail. So before going further, before discussing about what the things is, I just want to make sure that you have subscribed the channel, like the channel, and share the channel as soon as possible for getting the latest updates. So we will be discussing this in details. Okay, so the artificial intelligence has capability to identify the pattern, we can say pattern of most massive amounts of data, enabling it to detect trends and makes the threat classifications, okay, much more rapidly than a human. Okay, so an AI based virtual security operations center or SOC analyst using deep learning, such as deep neural network, can help overcome the growth or growing skills gaps and more rapidly detect and respond to security incidents. Okay, so 74% we can say of security professionals says that the cybersecurity skills gap has reached, or we can say has impacted their organization, even you can say. So a deep neutral network based virtual SOC analyst. Okay, so a deep neutral network based virtual SOC analyst helps mitigate the effect of their skills gap, and also helping to improve the low task and assisting the human analyst, enabling them to operate at a high level. Okay, so this is how the AI system must have certain characteristics to be successful. Okay, so when we discuss about an AI driven virtual security analyst must learn by itself. So what actually the inbuilt category is, how actually the AI driven virtual SOC analyst performs, and also getting replacement of AI human intelligence. So when it comes to commonly used the machine learning algorithms and also a virtual security analyst, which basically are based on deep learning, okay, that usually can operate in unsupervised mode without any initial training, and also on premise, is bound to learn, okay, is bound to lean soft teams. Okay, so which real, okay, which rely on its ability to adapt to the involving cyber threat landscape. Okay, when we discuss about machine learning, deep learning, okay, supervised and unsupervised, okay, these are the different training modes where which also provided control domain anywhere, including customer, or you can say on premise. Then after AI maturity, when we discuss about AI maturity, it gives impact of, or we can say a blueprint of how or what requires of cloud based updates. Then after self learning, optional consumption of global learning, on premise training, also you can say weeks, and pre-trained to operate on day one. Okay, AI should collaborate holistically with an, we can say, with an organization's people, process, and technology also, we can say that. So such a collaboration improves the scalability of teams, automates manual tasks, and also keeps pace with protecting against sophisticated threat. Okay, so adopted AI to scale, okay, adopted AI to scale the SOC to close to skills shortage, we can say. Okay, so AI, or applying AI to improve the efficiency and speed of threat detection and sophisticated threat, that also we can, very crucial point. Applying AI to commit some process of identifying, investigate, and responding to threat in a timely fashion. Okay, where human intervention takes more than 1 hour. Okay, even we can say that. So when we discuss about technology and process, it comes with AI machine speed should escalate the things and threat detection, investigation, response, we can say. The average SOC receives 1,000, okay, 10,000 alerts per day, but only the man, okay, the manpower and resources, okay, to properly handle a fraction of them. Okay, two-thirds of security analysts investigate less than 30 alerts per day, and half of these are likely the false positives. We can even treat that. So an AI-based virtual security analyst can expertise the process of detecting and accurately classifying the potential attack and performing the necessary investigation steps to identify the source of the threat, and also affected missions to apply proper remediation, that also you can say. Okay, so any dramatic decrease in the load of the security staff and reduce the cost of security incidents, that plays a very crucial role. So example of threat detection life cycle. When we discuss about threat detection and life cycle, before number one, additional approach to solving WannaCry and SecOp analyst. So number one, which is that identifying plus one, or you can say 1 plus hours. So assuming out of 100 to 1000 of okay, threat, we can say threat alerts on SOC dashboard, threat, we can say selected happens on the ransomware, or you can say altered directly by affected users. Investigating +1 hours. Okay, +1 hours log security. Okay, product. Then after reviewing the logs, you can say, then after using built-in external tools to validate the ransomware, performing external research, then we can say log into security products to sets and for WannaCry lateral movements, create investigation plans. Then after we usually give the respond action or quarantine the device, dead for segment, remediation device, restore backups, applying patches, and close the tickets. So solving WannaCry with SecOp analyst, augmented with deep and neutral networks, and also identifying AI ransomware validates in sub second. Okay, AI self learn new ransomware features, and then after investigate, we can say there is the comparison. So it is a comparison between what actually a human interference with, or we can say human interference with AI. Okay, so this is how actually the respond action is all about. 1 second to identify, 5 minutes to provide and investigate the things, then after response to the things in 30 minutes. So just imagine the things which has been placed by human interference as also, and the things which has been placed by an AI responder. So this is all about today's analysis, folks, about the AI which is going to replace the human interference in cybersec, we can say, or we can say in the form of security operations. So, and in the form of identifying the risk, investigating the risk, and also responding to the actions. Okay, so this is all, folks, for today's analysis. I hope you have enjoyed the session. So thank you, thanks a lot for your time.